Hello everybody, just quick unboxing. I ordered yesterday a new watch from AD. It's not micro brand, this is the established brand, American brand, and I'm just gonna open it now. So this is more like to see if everything is okay. The box is still closed. So let me see. Just open quickly. I was searching, well, not searching actually. I was checking this watch in and out from time to time, and every time I find just too small for my wrist. My wrist is 21 and the half. 21 inch centimeters and a bit, or 8.5. Oh, this is nice. Or 8.5. This is also nice. Thank you. 8.5 inch. So yeah, this is Hamilton, and it's a nice outer box. Here So this is the warranty, 2-year international warranty, Hamilton manual. Oh, no, this is international warranty. So what you can, what you can't do. There is nothing in. And okay, so this is the watch, and it's looks like wooden works, but this is not real wood because it's quite impossible to follow this mark. So this is something. Okay, so well, I'll just open it and ta-da! This is Hamilton Ventura. It's something I was watching and checking from time to time, but every time I find that original Ventura line of the watches is actually too small for my wrist. It's just small. And then by chance, well, this lady just sent me some info, and I was checking and I said, wait, this is not same size as usual. And actually I realized, I didn't know. I realized that this is the bigger and the new model, which is actually significantly bigger than the original Ventura line which came. What does that mean? Well, that means that this watch is bigger, and I didn't have a chance to check it on my wrist because usually I do. So this is the reference number, H24551-131. This is reference number of this watch. This is quartz watch, first of all. This is quartz watch, as you can see, with the ticking second hand. And what I can say, oh, it's a very unusual bracelet. It's stainless steel bracelet. And as I say, my wrist is over 21 centimeter or 8.5 inch, and straight from the box it's a beautiful bracelet. That is for the first. This is straight from the box, and it's fit just like, oh, maybe one link, I'm not sure. I will try to remove one link and then, but at the moment I like this watch. Oh yeah, I like this watch. There is also automatic version, but from some reason I'm not sure. I think there is on automatic is just the rubber or leather strap, and from some other reason there is, or maybe I'm wrong, I'm not sure, doesn't matter, but The difference in price is I didn't see a reason to buy automatic, to be honest. And actually original was quartz watch, or electric, how they call it. So I thought stay with original Ruth and buy quartz. So this is how this watch look. I'm trying to turn around my wrist so it's a little bit shaky, because I'm trying what is usually just not humanly possible to turn your wrist in front of camera. As you can see, it's a beautiful watch. I like it. I'm sure there is a people who does not like this watch or this shape of the watch or whatever, but this is a beautiful watch. There's another. Okay. And check this. It's oval. It's not straight. It's literally oval, and sapphire glass is also. Oh, this is expensive, because this is sapphire glass, and check it how it's curved all the way around. So it's curved like this, and so it's have a ball, like the ball, and inside, I mean, so many reflections from inside, from outside. Man, this is beautiful. I like this watch. I really like it. Oh yeah. Check this out. It's a beautiful watch. Oh yes. So, how about dimensions? Well, inside this quartz watch, quartz movement, it's ETA movement F06.111. So it's quite good actually. I think this movement have 2 or 3, I think 3 jewels inside, and at the end of the life, battery life, it start taking 2 seconds at a time. So it's, you know, I mean, I will know, or whatever who will have this watch will know, it's time to change the battery. So it's good quartz movement. It's not some lifting. I need to take care of this glass, this sapphire glass. It's marvelous, really. Look at these reflections. It's really nice. Let me check and clean it. Look at this, huh? Isn't this nice? Very, very nice. So, dimensions. Oh, this is difficult to measure actually somehow, but let's say like this. So, from left to right, 42.4. And how to measure this one? Well, let's measure like here, 44.6. And overall thickness, I'll measure where is the crown. So there is, well, it's 11.3 millimeter. So that is on the top of the bubble crystal. So it's practically following, you see, it's just going up and down. Yeah, it's going from 10 millimeters to 11.4. But still, this is magnificent watch. I like it. I really like it. Who knows? Maybe I will go for, if I find bracelet, stainless steel bracelet with automatic movement, who knows? But for now, I like it. I really like it. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. So this is the loom. Not bad at all. And it's a bright day here. It's not sunny. I mean, there is a sun outside, but there is no sun in. Okie dokie. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this watch, because I do like this watch. It's magnificent watch, no question there, really. Thank you for watching. First of all, there's two groups on the Facebook I run. One is mechanical horology and another one is quartz horology. This one will be presented in the quartz horology group for sure. I will do full review of this watch also for sure, because this is a beautiful watch. Now I have really too much watches for review which I doesn't wear, or I should, but this one will be done. If you like this video, please do like it. You also always can subscribe to this video, to my channel. And thank you for watching. And for the end, happy watch hunt!